Hi everyone, and welcome to this Steegle video about Instant People Directory. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the installation and setup process step by step. First, head over to the Google Workspace Marketplace and search for Instant People Directory by Steegle. I've included a link in the video description so you can get there quickly. Make sure you're signed in with a Google Workspace admin account. You'll see two options, the blue Admin Install button and a grayed out option for individual install. Click the blue Admin Install. You'll be asked to grant permissions, and depending on your organization's size, installation time may vary across your organization. Click Continue, review the permissions list, and scroll down. You can install it for everyone or limit it to specific groups. Once you've made your choice, click Agree and then Finish. That's the install done. To get started, head over to the App Launcher. Scroll down to find Instant People Directory and sign in. If it's your first time, you might see a sync failed message in the corner. Don't worry, just run a manual sync and you're good to go. Now let's look at the settings. Org chart. Choose who appears at the top by entering their email. You can adjust how reports are displayed. No count, with plus/minus icons to expand the org chart. Direct reports only, show only how many people are under you. Direct and total reports shows the ratio between people who report directly to you and the people reporting to them. Total reports only shows the total number of people under you. Remember to save and reload your browser after changes. Org unit restriction. Pick which organizational units show up in search. You can also set how many results appear per page or turn on infinite scroll. Field visibility. Decide which fields are visible. Theme colors. Match the app to your brand. For example, let's switch the theme to deep navy blue. I'll be using a different set of colors to give you an idea of how the interface will look. Once you're okay with the colors, click Save Settings. Finally, the Admin Dashboard. Instant People Directory is free for up to 50 users. Even if you click Purchase Subscription, the cost is $0. You'll also see Session Management, where you can set how long sessions stay active before timing out. If you ever need to uninstall the app, head over to the Admin Console at admin.google.com. Under Apps, click Expand. Then under Google Workspace Marketplace Apps, click Expand again and select Apps List. Find Instant People Directory in the list, click on it, and from there, you can remove the app from your Workspace account. This video was brought to you by Steegle. We create professional Google Sites, modern intranets, and custom business apps with Google Workspace and AppSheet. Visit Steegle.com to learn more.